another episode of what I have in the fridge. Today I created a shawarma chicken pizza with naan bread. So these are the things I have in the fridge. I had some naan, I had some chicken breast, some garlic. Well, I have minced garlic, but I just put it over here to show you what I have. Half a shallot, some sour cream, mayo, shredded cheese. Always have those at home. And I also have shawarma because I was craving kebab a few days ago, so I thought this would be perfect. And I attempted like a cool cut frame thing with the chicken, but it wasn't great. But anyways, chicken in the bowl and a tablespoon of shawarma seasoning, which you can either get online or you can get it in like most Middle Eastern grocery stores, international stores. And with the salt, I'm adding like a big pinch, like maybe half teaspoon of salt. But when I cook it, just before it's done, I take a piece out and then try it, and if it's not salty enough, I can add more salt then. Okay, for our white sauce, I'm using about half a cup of sour cream. Yes, you can make sauce with sour cream. I know it sounds strange, but you can. And then with this, about a tablespoon of mayo, because we want to add some creaminess to it, not just milkiness. And then 2-3 cloves of garlic. I'm making 2 pizzas, so 2 naans, and these are like the big size naans. So this is gonna be enough for 2 naans. A little bit of salt. You always have to try it because some mayos are saltier than other. To add a little bit more salt. On my shallots, I'm cutting them really thinly, and this is just gonna be decoration topping for the pizza. Separate them, make sure nothing is clumped. And then for the chicken, hot pan, a little bit of oil, not too much, chicken in, everything all together. This is chicken breast, and so all together, this a single pizza. No, for two pizzas, it will be about maybe like $8 for 2 pizzas. It's organic chicken breast, so it was a little pricier, but there was 3 slices in one bag. So about like $7-8 for 2 pizzas. That's how much it costs. That is definitely budget cooking. On my naan, I'm putting my white sauce on the bottom, as you would with any pizza. And of course, I have to add cheese to it. It's just gonna give it some more texture to it. And oh boy, it was so filling. Like, I thought it would not be enough, but I was in food coma. Of the cheese, I'm not adding too much, just a little bit, so when it melts, the chicken will stick to it and not fall off, because without the cheese, that gooiness, the glue basically, the chicken would fall off easily. That's why I'm also adding a little bit more cheese on top, not too much, but I think it came out perfect with the ratios, and it was still very creamy and very hefty. A little bit of that shallots on top, and then into the oven just for a few minutes, 8 minutes at 380, just to heat up the naan and melt the cheese, and it is done. Oh boy, it was so good. Oh, this came out so amazing that I am inspired to create more of these lazy pizzas, different flavors. After taking the final shot, I realized I have hot sauce in the fridge, and then I ended up adding hot sauce on top, and it was just divine. I cannot believe how cheap and easy this was to make. If you have leftover chicken, even if you have like rotisserie chicken, you can take that apart and put it on a naan with some sauce and cheese and more spices, and there you have it. Super low budget lunch, so filling, and it's healthy too. It has chicken in it, so it's protein. Healthy, cheap, and easy to make. Enjoy.